Hi there. Want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become a vendor in just a few minutes. Part 2. Once you approved, go to Jalil.store. On the top menu, My Account. You can directly go to your dashboard or set up your store before going to Dashboard. In this page, you can see your store name. Choose your logo. We recommend WebP format, then choose your store banner. It can be a video or static image or a slider. You can set different banners for desktop users and your mobile users. You can choose store list, banner. It can be a video or static image. Write a short description, describe your brand and your store, which is the about part of your store. Select your store name position. You can hide your about part and your privacy part for your users. Then hit Save button. Next, select location part. You can change your address from this part, then hit Save button. Then you need to set up your payment method, which is an important part. We will send your earned money to this account. You have two options, PayPal and bank transfer. After fill in the form, hit the Save button. Next, you need to set up shipping method. If you don't know how to set up this part, you can send us an email to support@Jalil.store, and we will set up it for you. First, enable the shipping. Then choose the processing time. You have different shipping method options. Shipping by country, by zone, by weight, and by distance. You can choose based on your store and product type. If you choose by country, you can set price to each county. You can get the cost from the post company that you work with. If you choose by zone, which we recommended, you can set a price to each zone based on your country, and shipping costs to that zone. It is better to put a flat rate, and for the cost, choose the average price to that zone. You can set a minimum order quantity to offer a free shipping to the users. Then after setting up everything, hit the Save button. For the SEO part, if you are familiar to SEO, you can do it yourself. Otherwise, our team will set up all these SEO parts for your store. Next, write your policies, or you can use the marketplace default policies, but we recommend to set it based on your own store policies. Then hit the Save button. Hi there, want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become a vendor in just a few minutes. Part 3. Another important setting you need to check is your account details. Go to My Account from the top menu, then open Account Details. Here, you can set your default currency. By default, it's USD. But if you want to enter your product prices in other currencies, you can change it here. Now go back to your vendor dashboard. You'll see different tabs. Home tab shows the main details about your store. Media tab. Here you can see all your uploaded media. We recommend using WEBP format. Add Product tab. I will explain this part in the next section. Orders tab. You can manage all your orders from here. Payment tab. This is where you can request withdrawals and receive your money. Next is the Coupons tab. Here, you can create discount codes for your customers and share them with your Instagram followers or any audience you want. Then you have the Refunds tab, where you can manage refund requests. Next is the Add to My Store tab. This feature is extremely useful for vendors. Let's say you have a product similar to one already available in the marketplace, but with different pricing or different variations. You don't need to create the product from scratch, just add it to your store. It will be saved as a draft, and you can edit the parts you want before submitting it. This saves you a lot of time. In the ledger book, you can see all your financial data. In the Reports tab, you can view detailed analytics and performance reports for your store. Next is the Reviews tab. Only customers who have actually purchased your product can leave a review, which helps prevent fake reviews and keeps everything fair. Hi there, want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become a vendor in just a few minutes. Part 4. Let's talk about how to add products on Jalil.store. You can add different types of products: simple products, variable products, grouped products, and external affiliate products. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the most common type, the variable product. First, select variable product. Then, upload your product images. Next, choose the right category for your product. If you are a brand, send us an email at support@Jalil.store. We will add your brand to the system so you can select it from the list. After that, add your tags. Now, write your product title, followed by a short description, and then a full description. The full description can be up to 5,000 characters, and you can use the built-in AI Generate button to help you write it. Next, go to Inventory to manage your stock. Here, you can also choose whether you want to sell the product individually or allow customers to buy multiple quantities. Then we have the shipping section. You've already set your default shipping rules in your store settings, but if this specific product needs different shipping options, you can adjust them here. Next, choose whether the product is taxable or not. We have an automatic tax feature that calculates tax based on your store settings. After that, set up your attributes. These are things like size, color, material, anything that creates variations. In the variation section, you can upload a unique image for each variation and set a specific price for each one. In the linked product section, you'll find two options: upsells and cross-sells. Here, you can recommend your other products to customers to increase visibility and sales. In the SEO section, we handle SEO for you automatically. But if you're familiar with SEO and want to customize it yourself, you're welcome to do so. And finally, there's a very important part, the highlight of our marketplace. We will order your product, create a full review video, and add it to your listing ourselves. This is our honest review system, and you don't need to do anything here. We will update this section for you.